Okay, today we are discuss about the first chapter of basic science, reaping gold from soil. Reaping gold from soil. Okay, in our previous class we are discuss about many topics. Which are the vegetable gardening, factors considering for while selecting seeds from plant, etc. Okay. Today we are discussing about so many topics. Okay. The first topic is sowing and sprouting. Sowing and sprouting. Have you any idea about it? Okay. No tension. I will teach you. The first topic is sowing and sprouting. Look at your textbook. It is easy to select good quality seeds from plants like lady's finger and pea. How will you select quality seeds from plants that have smaller seeds than the above? How can you collect small seeds from plant like lady's finger and pea? In the case of brinjal, good seedlings are transplanted after sowing and sprouting seeds. In case of brinjal, good seedlings are transplanted after sowing and sprouting. One question for you. Can you find more examples for seedlings that are transplanted and seedlings that are not transplanted? What is the question? Yeah. Can you find more examples for seedlings that are transplanted or not transplanted? The examples of these plants to direct seed. The examples are beans, beetroot, carrot, melons, peas, radish and pumpkins. Plants transplanted. The examples for plants transplanted: brinjal, tomato, rice, mango, jackfruit, coconut. Okay, these are the examples of plants to direct seed and plants transplanted. Can you understand me? The next topic is stem cutting. Stem cutting. Okay. One question for you. Are you familiar with the plants that germinate from seeds? What is this? Are you familiar with the plants that germinate from seeds? We know most of the plants are germinated from seeds. Example, mango tree. We are germinated new plant with their seeds. Okay. Mango tree, this is germinated from seeds and those that sprout other parts. Next is sprout from other parts of this plant. For the example, rose plant, we know the rose plant is sprouted from other parts of this plant. So, generally, we are divided into two in the case of next generation of propagation. Generally, next generation of propagation mainly divided into two. That is sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Look, the formation of seedlings from seeds is by sexual reproduction. Seedlings from seeds is sexual reproduction. The formation of new plantlets from parts like stem, root and leaf is called vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation, in other words, asexual reproduction. Okay, clear? The sexual reproduction is the formation of seedlings from seeds. Vegetative propagation or asexual reproduction is the formation of new plantlets from plant parts like stem, roots and leaf. Clear? Look, in asexual reproduction, plants can give rise to new plants without seeds. Clear? Plants can give rise to new plants without seeds, whereas in sexual reproduction, new plants are obtained from seeds. In sexual reproduction, new plants are obtained from seeds. Otherwise, in asexual reproduction, plants can give rise to new plants without seeds. Okay. In the case of tapioca, we are not collected seeds for the new plantation. Clear? We are collected stem for the new propagation. Okay. These are the example for asexual reproduction. In the case of tapioca, we collected stem for the new plantation, not seed. Tapioca and sweet potato are cultivated by planting stem cutting. Find out more examples for plant formed through sexual reproduction and vegetable propagation. Look, for the example of sexual reproduction, rice, coconut tree, mango, jackfruit tree, etc. For the example of vegetable propagation, stem for rose, tapioca and sugarcane. Root, for the example of root, curry leaf. For the example of underground stem, ginger, turmeric. Okay? Okay. Today we are discussed about main topics, that is stem cutting, sowing and sprouting, and vegetable propagation, sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction. Example of these sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Okay, clear? Okay, remains parts are discussed in our next video.